Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your Twitter or X account is suspended and you cannot use it, do not worry. I will show you the official way to submit an appeal for your suspended account. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. In the search bar, type X account suspended appeal and tap enter. Now tap on the official X Help Center link from the results. Make sure you are opening the official X website. Once the page opens, look for the option that says Log into your account to appeal. Tap on this option to continue. You will now be asked to log into your X account. Enter your username and password carefully. After logging in, follow the on-screen instructions shown by X, fill out the appeal form with correct and honest information. Explain briefly that your account was suspended and you want a review. Avoid using aggressive or emotional language in your appeal. Once everything is filled, submit the appeal form. X will review your request and respond through email. This process may take some time, so be patient. If your appeal is approved, your account will be restored. After recovery, change your password immediately. Enable two-factor authentication to secure your account. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more account recovery and app fix videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.